Oh, hey. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today I'm bringing the beach to your bedroom. And no water included, because that would be messy and insane, which is normally me, but not today. Today, we're doing Seashell Decor. Yeah, you know those seashells that you collect, then forget about? Yeah, it'd be a great time to get those out. And for our first hack, we have seashell lights. Every single time I'm at the beach, I literally sing Moana and I find the biggest shells that I can find. These are obviously not the biggest shells that I can find because I keep those for myself. I don't just like collect them, I give them names. They have a purpose, you know? So this is Shangela. Not Angela, Shangela, because she's a shell. I found literally under a rock. I was very surprised she wasn't crushed. She was in my car for like 3 weeks because I forgot about her. And then, we have Shannon, I was gonna say seashell, they're all seashells. Shannon, she's the mom of the group. She keeps all of the little babies safe. Then we have Shelly. She has the pink, she's a little sunburnt from the beach, but I saved her, put some SPF on her, so she's okay. For this DIY, you'll need string lights, seashells, glitter, and Mod Podge. First, add glitter to your Mod Podge and paint the shells. Hawk through the shells to the lights. Light it up! And for our next hack, we have seashell gel candles. I'm gonna try to say that fast. Seashell gel candle. Seashell gel candles. So the cool thing about these candles is that it actually truly represents the beach. Well, at least my beach. There's like glittery sand, because why not? Then we have the seashells, obviously. And then we have the water, which has glitter in it. Does your beach have glitter in it? And then we have the wick, because it's like the sun, you know, the heat of the beach. And the cool thing about because they're like gel candles, can you even see it? Hi, how are you? The texture of the wax is so cool. It's like jelly. Felt so out of place, out of my chair. For this DIY, you'll need a small jar with a lid, seashells, clear candle wax, wicks, sand, and glitter. First, attach the wick to the jar. Add sand and shells inside. Melt the wax and add glitter. Pour wax into the lid and let it dry. Set that beachy mood. So yes, these are seashell headphones. They are actually made out of real seashells. So you can hear the ocean. Not actually, but that would be really cool. They're perfect for the beach or not for the beach when you're just at home, but you want to feel like you're at the beach, but you're really just listening to Mariah Carey. Even though it's summer, but you're still listening to Christmas songs, because me too. And they look really cool on your head because nobody understands what you're doing, because they're like, do you have seashells on your ears? So you're like, yeah, I do. Thanks. For this DIY, you'll need headphones, seashells, decorative trim, and spray paint. First, spray paint the headphones and let dry overnight. Add shells and trim. Seashells! I'm so rude. This is my friend, Kowaldo the coconut. I found him literally at the beach. I'm kidding. That would be really cool if I actually found him at the beach though. Sorry, he doesn't like this song. Nope. Barney and Friends does it the trick every single time. That's all the shells I have for you guys today. I actually have way more shells, but like I couldn't figure out all what to do with them. But whatever. Comment down below what your favorite was. Mine was definitely the seashell lights because I would actually put these like above my room and be like, I'm in the ocean. 10 out of 10. Kowaldo's were definitely the headphones. He loves listening to the ocean. Look how happy he is. So make sure to like and subscribe for more DIYs every week. Hit that notification bell because early squad. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Galaxy Mira. She's part of the hashtag early squad. Thanks for watching. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed these seashell hacks. Seashell you later. Okay, GoldieBlox signing off.